Should you pay quarterly estimated taxes? I'm about to tell you. I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of Big Bird Accounting. We do bookkeeping, we do tax strategy, we do tax prep for small businesses, and we're good at it. Okay. Quarterly estimated taxes. I was talking with somebody about this yesterday, a potential client. Many accountants out there are very adamant, pay your quarterly taxes on the button, overpay, be careful. You don't want penalties, you don't want fees, you want to do it. Okay. That's fine. Before we get there, by the way, when should you start paying estimated quarterly estimated taxes? Technically, by the sort of the rules, when you anticipate that you are going to have to pay $1,000 or more in income tax in the year that you were in, you are supposed to start paying quarterly estimated taxes. If you're not sure, then obviously you don't pay. If you end up having to pay more than $1,000 in the year before, then again, you have the obligation to pay those quarterly estimated taxes based on what you believe your current year is, and typically no lower than what you had to pay the year before. So if you had to pay $10,000 in taxes every quarter, you would pay $2,500 to try to prepay your tax obligations, basically. Now, that's fine. You probably should pay your quarterly estimated taxes, at least some of them. You should definitely set aside money regularly to pay for your taxes when tax time comes around. But here's the business owner, reality that I'm going to give you and tell you. I don't necessarily pay all of my quarterly estimated taxes up to the maximum amount. Here's why. The truth is, the penalties, the fees, and things like that for the quarterly estimated taxes, they're just not that big. They're very, very tiny. They're small. So I have to weigh, do I want to give this money to the IRS and kind of take it out of circulation, or do I want to put it to work, try to use those dollars to make more dollars, knowing that I'm going to pay a little bit of a penalty on the back end and just be okay with that. For me, that's kind of what I do. So I do pay some of my quarterly estimated taxes. I don't want the IRS grumpy at me, but I don't necessarily pay them all the time. Here's some quick math. Let's say let's say you were obligated to pay $10,000 in a quarterly estimated tax to the IRS. Instead, you pay $2,000, and you take that $8,000 and you turn it into $20,000. Okay, you're able to get an ROI on your business, sign up some new clients, put that towards advertising and marketing, and you'll be able to turn the 8 into 20. Okay, now when tax time comes around, you are going to have a penalty of, let's say it's 5%. Okay, you're going to have a 5% penalty for not paying that $8,000, but you made 150% on that money while you had it in your hands. Is it worth the trade-off? For me, the answer is yes. It is important, however, to be making these decisions consciously. You want to make informed choices. You want to make strategic choices. This is why you employ people that understand tax law, that understand the system, so that they can let you know about these different opportunities, these different strategies, and then you can employ them however you want. Some people have low risk tolerance. They want to pay all their taxes on time and do everything exactly in that way. That's fine. I totally understand that. Some people would rather get their money to work for them and then, pay a little bit of penalty on the back end. That's okay too. Okay. But that is how quarterly taxes work. And that is how I would sort of calculate or strategize how I'm going to pay those obligations over time. All right. That is it. If this helped, that's great. Hit the like, comment, follow, subscribe, do all of those things if you don't want to miss more helpful information like this. If you need help with your books, if you need help with tax strategy or with your taxes, and you are a small business owner, bigbird.accounting.com is the place to go. We can chat over the phone, learn about your business, learn about your goals, learn about what you're trying to do, give you some help, and maybe we can work together. All right. All right, that is it for today. I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of Big Bird Accounting. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate you. And I will talk to you again soon. See ya.